My name is Warren Drones. I'm a technical product manager at Epic Games currently. I was fortunate enough to work previously at the Weather Channel using Zero Density as an operator, and it's kind of a tech lead to figure out their data integration, virtual set management. Now I work with Andy Blondin at Epic Games on the product team, and my focus mostly is to kind of just tighten up our products to make them work a little bit better with our partners like Zero Density, and that's where we are. I believe the Weather Channel studio will be impossible without the help of Zero Density. They're the only control application I've seen in the market that's somewhat artist friendly and allow you to integrate data with custom nodes as well as work with Unreal in a seamless fashion. Epic and Zero Density continuing to grow. I believe that we need a player who understands the broadcast market, and I think Zero Density can continue to expand into different areas, more media control, more compositing pipelines, and hopefully we'll see an explosion from you guys in the future.